I read book. I read book. तो रीड क्या है? एक्शन है, कुछ कर रही हूं मैं, ये एक्शन को शो कर रहा है. तो रीड एक एक्शन है, ठीक है, एक्शन को शो कर रहा है. सो रीड जो होगा वो होगा एक्शन वर्ब, क्योंकि वो कुछ एक्शन किसे कहते हैं? हम कहते हैं ना कि एक्शन, एक्शन का बेसिकली मतलब क्या है? जिसमें कोई मूवमेंट हो रही हो. वर्ड्स को अगर आप उसकी मीनिंग समझेंगे ना तो आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा कि व्हाट एक्चुअली वर्ड्स टेल अबाउट देमसेल्व्स. सो एक्शन मींस कुछ मूवमेंट. तो दैट इज व्हाई वी से देम एक्शन वर्ब, बिकॉज़ उन वर्ब्स में मूवमेंट हो रही होती है. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू द स्टेट वर्ब, then state verbs are different. They show the conditions, like they show the situation. I have books. I have books. मैं अपने, मेरे पास बुक्स हैं, ये एक सिचुएशन है, एक स्टेट है. I have. So that is why it is a verb. Actions show हो रहे हों, then it is a action verb. And when it shows a situation, कि कोई, बस ये समझ लें कि एक में action है, strong action शो हो रहा है, और एक में strong action शो नहीं हो रहा. एक में strong action शो नहीं हो रहा, बस एक situation है, तो वो state verb होता है. ठीक हो गया? So it is actually the third day of our class. And we have a time. So I want to know your feedback. It is very good that you give me your feedback in English. But if you are not if you don't want to go with the English, then you can say in a sandwich. But don't need to speak Urdu. I'm telling you. Even please, I'm saying you that please speak the worst English. But please speak. And you people are really good. You know what? Last day when I was asking you about yourself, when you, mostly the people say that they like Turkey and this and that, you people were confident. You knew how to speak. I don't know why you first day you were not speaking, but last day you really did well. I'm telling you, you all can speak English. You have a potential. You just need to work on yourself. Be sincere to yourself. I always say this, be sincere to yourself. So please who's the next one? Okay, Atika Noor, please unmute your mic.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Welcome, Atika. I hope you are fine. Atika?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, Atika, just give me your feedback in one sentence. What do you think about these classes? Like, it's been a third day, and what do you think about this class in a one sentence? Tell me.
Today's class was very informative.
Just today's
We
class?
learned a lot, ma'am.
What I was doing from
I
last
mean,
2 days. Okay.
Firstly, I did not take first two classes.
Okay.
That's why. Yes.
Okay. It's okay. You could say that. Ma'am, I took those classes and I didn't learn anything. Okay. So today's class was positive. Like you thought that you learned something.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Speak.
Okay, you learned to speak and you are really doing well. Well done. Thank you so much. I will go for the other one. And the other one is, I guess we have, no, we have one Aisha Kaval. I thought we have two Aisha Kaval. One is host and other is not host. I mean, if you two, if we have two Aisha Kaval, then kindly please, Aisha Kaval, please unmute your mic. Aisha Kaval, please unmute your mic. Okay, Aisha. So Aisha, please, I hope you are fine. Aisha, please give me your feedback. Okay, Aisha, I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Today's class was very good and your way of teaching was excellent.
Okay, thank you so much for this taif, and I really want to know that what you are learning. Not don't tell me how I am. I know I'm very good. I'm dandy. I have a dandy personality. But please tell me what you are learning. So Ms. Baziz, please unmute your mic. Tell me, what did you learn today?
Ma'am, I think you teach us in an amazing way, and the best part of I think the best part is that you force us to speak in English, and this is the I hope this will helpful in future for us.
Thank you so much. And you know what? The best thing in all of you is that you actually don't feel shy. And even if you feel shy, you overcome that thing and you speak. That is your quality. I must say, that is, I wouldn't say this is all my effort. No, that is your own effort on yourself. That's your sincerity, yourself, that you are speaking in a way. Thank you so much, Misbah. I would go for Javeria. Shakil, please, Javeria, can you please tell me what did you learn today?
Ma'am, ma'am, I learned many things in this class. It's so
Okay.
amazing.
Okay, thank you so much. What should I say now? Anything specifically you learn? Actually, I want to know that, even if you can say, ma'am, I didn't get that thing. So please tell me. Yeah, or you can say anything, please. I would go for the other one. Yes, who's the other one? Yes, Zanjil Malik, please. And I will start from the bottom line. Zanjil Malik, please tell me, what did you learn today? Okay, I got a question from Bushra Noreen that Ali is my friend में my pronoun है. Okay, girls. यहाँ पे मैं एक चीज उर्दू में ही बताती चलूं आप लोगों को कि आज के दिन ना, मतलब लाइक अली इज माय फ्रेंड. फिलहाल जो है ना माय फ्रेंड, इसमें माय नाउन नहीं है. ठीक है, माय इज अनदर थिंग. ये इसे पोजेसिव केस कहते हैं. द पॉइंट इज दैट what I'm going to do is, don't confuse yourself in these things. Like, first someone asked me about with. Now just focus on these four things which I have told you. That's it. बस समझ लें कि दुनिया में अगर चार कुछ आज आपने सीखा है तो बस ये चार चीजें सीखी, इसके अलावा दुनिया में कुछ है ही नहीं. Just focus your mind on the things. And if like you said that Ali is my friend, what is my? Don't get confused. Just say that, do you know what is noun? You know what is verb? You know what is pronoun? And you know what is it? Say 13 noun, pronoun, verb, and adjective. Yes. And if you say that I only know today is verb, that is enough for you. Don't stress yourself. Don't push yourself. Just focus on the things what I told you. That's it. Don't confuse yourself. You will get eventually that what is my. You will get eventually what is with. You will get eventually why we are using and the. You will get all the things. But please focus on, you know what, when I'm going to learn new things, I am not I don't go for the experts. No. Whenever I tried to learn grammar, I always picked up a book of a 7th class, because the more on the basics you would go, the more depthly or deeply or in a very depth manner you would learn. So don't focus on the other things. Why is my and why is off? Now some even you can ask what is off. That is preposition. But the point is that I'm not going to confuse you. I'm just simply telling you the simple way, the simplest way. I want to make your this 1 hour is actually the thing that you can relax your mind and you can learn something new. So don't go for the things that is not relevant to you at this time. Not at this time, I'm just saying that. So just know what is noun, verb, pronoun, adjectives. And if you just got only a 1 point, if you just got a verb today, that is enough for you. Appreciate yourself. You got something. So learn to appreciate yourself on a very small things, on very very small things. It is very great achievement that after so many classes and so many things, you are at this time here to listening me. That is your achievement, girls. You are here, you are listening. So appreciate yourself. You are here because you are sincere to yourself. You want to do something in life. Not every girl has this thought. So you are different. So please, focus on the things which I am telling you, and if you have any confusion you can share, but I would say you just focus on the things which I am telling you, and that's it. That is the only way. The more simple you are, the more you will learn. The more you will go into complexities, the more you will get confused. Okay, I will go to the next one. Yes, Muqaddas Saqib, please tell me, what did you learn today? Muqaddas Saqib.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did you learn today, Muqaddas?
I learned a lot from this class.
Okay. Okay, what did you get most? Noun, verb, adjective, or pronoun?
Ma'am, verb and noun and
Verb and
pronoun.
noun. Okay, pronoun. You get the clear concept of these three.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you find any difficulty in adjective? Hmm. Any
मैम
difficulty
इसमें
or
भी समझ है लेकिन इसमें ना जो दिया हुआ है इसमें सेंटेंस माय डॉग इज बिग आई लाइक बिग डॉग्स मतलब ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है इसमें एडजेक्टिव क्या है.
okay, my dog is big. My dog is big. What is dog? Dog is noun. And what is the quality of dog? What do you think? What is the quality of dog? क्या चीज डॉग को मजीद डिफाइन कर रही है? कौन सा लफ्ज डॉग को डिफाइन कर रहा है?
Big.
Yes. तो what is the adjective? Big.
Big.
Simple. The things that are defining dog. First, you need to get the noun, and when you get the noun, after just simply look at the sentence and say what is defining the noun, and the thing which is defining the noun, that is adjective. Simple.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, yes, Faiza Iram, please. What did you learn from this class?
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum salam. Yes, Faiza, what did you learn?
Ma'am, action verb and state verb is new for me.
Okay, action verb and state verb is
I've
new for
never
you.
learned it before. Yes. So it's very interesting to learn from you.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, fine. And please,
Yes,
girls,
ma'am.
okay, thank you so much, Faiza. And I would go for the other one. Where is Komal? Komal is absent today. Okay, Komal is not present here. Yes, Taiba, what did you learn? Hurry up.
Ma'am, state or action verb?
Okay, what did you learn in state and action verb?
Ma'am, state is a action verb.
Wow.
It is to show action.
Okay, now action verb shows action. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, what is the purpose to take this feedback? There is a two purpose. First, I want to know what you people think like of this class, and the second thing is that I want to teach you how to give feedbacks. Whatever you are not here for whole life, you are here just for 3 months. You have to move in your life, you have to do lots of work. So everywhere you would go, and everywhere when you work with a very good management, they would ask for your feedback. And if you know how to give your honest feedback, if you know how to give it, then that is a very good thing for you. Like I'm like looking at it now, there are only 12 participants, and at the start of the class there were 17, I guess, perhaps. So please, this feedback will tell you how to give a feedback to the other person, an honest feedback, and how to give it confidently. Like, don't think that if you say a negative word it will harm you, or it will break the heart of other person. No, be honest. Whenever you are going to give your feedback, be honest on that, and it will tell you that, it will actually teach you how to be among the people. When you would work with a higher management, then you would know that how to give a feedback. So please know the worth of a feedback. And so it's 9 p.m. and today we learned 4 things: noun, verb, pronoun, and adjective. Tomorrow would be a speaking class, and I'm again saying, you girls, please try to read something, whatever like fascinates you, or whatever you like to read. Please read. In the next week I would ask from everyone that what they are reading nowadays. Even you can read an article on on beauty tips, on anything you like. Even if you like romantic novels like me, you can read anything. Read. Next week I would ask what you are reading. It will enhance your vocabulary. Thank you so much, girls, for your time. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz,
Allah
ma'am.
Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.